Hey, this is Bruce Walter with FlexPackPro, and one of the things that we've been putting a lot of effort into are offline systems utilizing the superior print quality that you get from thermal transfer overprinters. One of the things we're going to show you right now is our newest tabletop system, and it's a very easy system to use for folks who have short run or unusually shaped bags or pouches that they like to put variable information on. So first it starts over here with our Pro Code, user-friendly, Windows-based design software. So you design the image on this, and then you take the image and put it on the USB drive. You come over here and you load the images onto the touchscreen controller, which can hold up to 5,000 individual images. And then we can put any one of a number of FlexPackPro TTO printer units on here, depending upon the size of the image you need. In this case, we've got our newest 420i XT unit, which has a large ribbon capacity of 1,000 meters. And we're going to go ahead and show you just how good the quality of this print is, how easy it is to use this. So you take a pouch, slide it under the unit. This here is a foot pedal, which we'll just press for now. And you come out with press quality graphics, text, date codes, lock codes, and barcodes. If you want to learn more about this, just get in touch with us. We're here for you anytime.